on fire.
Nana, you wanted a chef, well guess who? Home cooked meal, she will impress you. She's Nana, the saucy chef, what y'all cooking. A lot of y'all don't wanna admit it, but y'all looking. She's Nana, the saucy chef. 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 Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana, the saucy chef. Today I wanted to let you guys know I'm going to be adding a healthy recipe series to my channel. It's going to be heart-healthy recipes and diabetic-friendly recipes. So for today's recipe, we're going to be making beans with spinach and mushrooms. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 4 cups of coarsely chopped baby spinach, 3 cups of portabella mushrooms thinly sliced, 1 15.8 ounce can of reduced sodium Great Northern beans. You want to rinse and drain them. 1 15.5 ounce can of low sodium chickpeas. You also want to rinse and drain them. We're going to need a half a cup of reduced sodium vegetable broth, 1 small onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 3/4 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1/4 cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and we're going to also need 1 can of diced tomatoes, and you want that can to have basil, garlic, and oregano, and you don't want to drain it. And guys, this is a meal that you can make in 25 minutes. It's also a 1-pan meal. Pan over medium heat. I'm going to spray some non-stick cooking spray. Next, we're going to add in our tablespoon of olive oil. We're going to let that come to temperature. Comes to temperature, you want to add in your mushrooms, your onion, your oregano, and also your minced garlic. And we're going to let that saute for 3 to 5 minutes. You want your mushrooms to get soft. Now to our vegetable broth, we're going to add in our cornstarch. I'm going to go ahead and mix it until it's well combined. This is coming along nicely. You can see the mushrooms are beginning to get soft. After 5 minutes, you want to add in your beans. We're also going to add in our chickpeas. We're going to add in our diced tomatoes. And we're also going to add in our vegetable broth mixture. We want to mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to let it cook for 1 minute. After a minute, you want to gradually add in your spinach. I'm going to go ahead and mix our spinach in, and you want to let it cook 1 to 2 minutes until your spinach has wilted. Okay guys, after 2 minutes, turn off your heat. And we're just going to go ahead and sprinkle our Parmesan cheese over top. I'll let that melt. Okay guys, so here we have it. Our beans with spinach and mushrooms. Guys, you can add some ground black pepper over top if you would like. So guys, this makes 4 servings, 1 3/4 cup per serving. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following me.
Y'all hungry yet?